Hi everyone, I received an email from Bulq indicating that I'll be receiving an award coming in, and they said it would be a mini Bulq box be arriving. I wasn't sure if it was real or fake or exactly what it was, but when you know it, this week I got this mini Bulq box in, so it's the same sort of box that they normally send to you, but this is a mini box. So one of the things they wanted me to do is do an unboxing of it and video that, so they could see the expression and everything as I go through and open up the items. So I'm going to go right into the unboxing here. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, there's a card here. It says, "Congratulations, Gus. In 2018, Bulq customers uploaded more than 250 Bulq unboxing videos. Out of all those videos, yours made the top 5 watch list. Wow. Making you a winner of this year's Bulq Unboxing Award. We could see your business is really scaling up, and we wanted to help you get some ship done." Yeah, I like it, ship done. Enjoy these free reselling resources and keep up the hustle. We can't wait to watch your success in 2019. Cheers, the Bulq team. I'm going to bring this over, see if, hopefully you can see that. But this is pretty cool. Wow, top 5 watch list. Wow, thanks to all the watchers out there. Thank you, Bulq. Okay, so let's see what we got. Got tissue paper in here. I'm going to set this card to the side. Let's see what we got here. This is a Accutech. Oh, this is a digital scale. Perfect. This is exactly what I've been wanting to buy. I've been looking at these things on eBay and some different sites, but I wasn't sure exactly which one to get. I knew I wanted one that had that separate digital display, and it looks like it does have this. So the capacity is 110 pounds. Let's see, LED backlit, large LCD for easy reading, low battery and overload indication, AC adapter. The scale will always power on. Wow. Digital postal scale. I'm going to bring this over. This is great. Thank you very much, Bulq. This is something I needed. I have an older scale that I use. It's one of the old dial type. And those there, you can't tell. I mean, poundage are perfect, but when you're getting down into the ounces and that, you really can't get a good reading out of it. But this is just great. 10-year warranty on this. I'm going to have to unbox this and show you guys. I want to go through the rest of this, but this is very nice. Thank you, Bulq. Let me put that. In fact, I don't want it to fall. I want to put it down here. This is really nice to receive something like this. I was not expecting this. What's this? Oh, a Dymo free printer. Oh, it's a label writer. Oh, this is nice, so I can print out my own labels. Wow, you guys really went above and beyond. This is just great. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hopefully everybody could see that. But this is one of those Dymo label printers, so you can print out labels. Right now I currently stick the label on. I put tape around it to hold it down. This here, I guess that you hook this up to your PC. And they show a picture of a PC here, and just print your labels from, probably has included software or something, yeah, Windows 7 or later, or it can run Mac. I'm going to have to do an unboxing of this too, and it'll show me, and that'll provide me some information on how to install it and everything. Oh, this is great. Thanks again, Bulq. Let's see, man, like that's not enough. This is a lint roller. So right before sending the clothes out that you sell, just take the lint off. It'll definitely come in handy. Thanks. What's this? A shirt. A Bulq shirt. Nice. Very nice. I don't have any merchandise or anything that says Bulq on it, so this is great. I'll have to wear this out. I'll be wearing this with pride, that's for sure. Thank you. Let's see what else. Got this paper in there. What else? Might be it. Nope, there's more. Tape measure, a Bulq tape measure. Says the name Bulq on it. In that blue, same as the shirt. Like a turquoise blue, I guess. Has a button on it. You use to release the tape. Pull it out for what you need, so you can measure right going out the door. So with this and the scale and the label, I'll be good to go. Nice, thank you. Another box in here. Crown. Crown. A pen. Really? This is a plaque. This is one of those etched in glass plaques. It says on it Bulq Unboxing Awards 2018. Presented to GZ Business for the top 5 most watched Bulq unboxing video. And it has a stand for it too. Wow. Now that is really nice. I've seen these etched in glass before, but it's the first time I've ever received one. So thank you very much. I very much appreciate everything in here. And for being the top 5 most watched, I just have to say thanks to all my viewers. Really appreciate all the support and everything. It's a lot of fun unboxing these and going through each of the items and everything. So I'll have to put this up on my mantle or something, but this is really nice. This is a huge achievement. I was not expecting this. Like I said, I got that email, but I wasn't sure if it was for real or what. Some of the indications on it, showed yes, but I wasn't sure. So thank you, Bulq, very much. Colleen, thank you. And all my viewers, all my subscribers, thank you very much. It's you guys that keep me doing this. I love unboxing it, posting the videos and everything out there. So thank you very much. I'll definitely get good use out of all this stuff. I can't wait to use the scale and a label printer. I might even have to do a giveaway on one of the items or something, so just to show my appreciation. And thank you very much. I'll do an unboxing of one of the other items, but I'll get that out there. Again, Bulq, thank you very much. All my viewers, all my subscribers, thanks again. If you have any questions, any comments, please like and subscribe. Thanks again.